So breasts sometimes just don't quite grow as much as we would like them to. And sometimes it's just a proportion thing. We feel like there should be a little more curve between what's up top and what's in the middle. And sometimes really we don't feel up our bras and feel good about ourselves. So putting a little bit more volume into our breasts sometimes just is a sexy, feminine, great response to working with our proportions and making us feel good and sexy at all times. What is the safety of breast implants? So breast implants have been around since the 70s, and they've undergone a series of changes to make them safer and safer. The current ones that I use are cohesive, so even if you cut the implant, there's no spread of the silicone. This is not to say that you shouldn't watch your implants and potentially they'll need to be changed over your lifetime. Implants now are warranted for 20 years. When they're inserted, they have to make sure that they're absolutely sterile. That means no touch technique. We use a Keller funnel to place them. And chances are, given that we all live for a very long time now, you will have to have them changed in your lifetime.